Friends, in this video tutorial, I will show how to share, file, folder, and drive from Windows 11 over the network. At first, I open my computer drive to share with others in the same network. For this, we need to check my IP address the first time for search by other PC. Go to Network and Internet Settings options to show your LAN or Wi-Fi IP address. I use Wi-Fi, and this is my IP address. Now, go to your computer drive and open a folder or file which you want to share in the same network. Select Folder and go to the Properties options. Click Share and go to the Advanced Sharing options. Select Share this folder and click on Permission. Now, allow full control and change permission for everyone. After this, click Apply and OK. Click Apply, OK, and Close. Now, our selected folder is shared over our local network. Anyone from the same network can access this folder. For checking purposes, I will search my shared folder by my computer IP. After pressing Enter, I can see my shared folder. You can search from the Run command or Windows search bar. Let's check this file sharing status from another computer over the same network. Open Run command and search shared computer by IP address and press Enter. After clicking OK, we can see our shared folder. I have full permission to delete or upload files in the shared folder. Same as we can share files or folders from Windows 10, 8 and 7. Friends, please subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions and press the bell button for new and updated technology-related video tutorials. Thanks for watching this video, and stay with us.